You find out in the old school, ladies are so careful how they dress, how when they come out, and even when they dress roughly, you see people within the streets, you see people within the environment, they are calling them to order. Hey, young girl, you're not dressed properly. A woman will come with a wrapper to cover her because she's not properly dressed. People want to address them, people want to make sure that they are doing the right thing at the right time. The community was watching over the children and was ensuring that there was correction. But this generation, if a lady is not dressed open, that the body is exposed, people will not give her likes. Because this generation is the internet generation and we spend so much time looking for people to appreciate us online. Welcome to Dark Collins TV, educational, motivational, and inspirational platform. Hi guys, welcome to Dark Collins TV. We're having a wonderful time. I hope you're doing very well. Thank you for this amazing subscriber growth. Thank you for everyone that has been with me on this platform. I really appreciate every one of you. And today we'll be talking about a different topic. You can see my shirt is written old school. So today I want to talk about certain things that happened in the past that are so relevant, that are so important, and has helped a lot of people to grow. So the topic today can be talking about the importance of the old school method, the importance of the old way, the old style, and how relevant it is to growth and how it affects a lot of young people today. This generation we are in right now is they call it the computer age, they call it the evolving age, the age where people think like system, computer. The brain is so vast, the brain is so wild, people are doing a lot of things at the same time. Students are vast, even children that are just growing, age 1, age 2, they can relate to the phone, the technology. If you give them these devices, they know what to do with it. They are not dormant, they are fast in reasoning. The thinking faculties of the young generation is very fast. Good advantage, we are like that. But there are certain things that has been in operation in the past that even if we bring it to this recent time, we still find out that it has a lot of relevance. In the past, the parents who gave birth to us, you find out that they do things gradually. They believe for you to eat, you need to go and walk, and you need to go to the farm, you need to walk, you need to do something that will keep you going, that is effective, that is legit. For you to eat, for you to feed well, for you to have a family, you need to go through this process. Things were done in sequential orders, nothing was done in a hurry, and life was very interesting. And you find out that this pushing it down to this current generation, you find out that this generation wants quick money. Most young people who are vibrant in their working age, they are the age very active, they don't want to work, they're looking for the easiest ways to make money. And when they make money this easiest way, because they are not going through the process, you find out that at the end of the day they will mess things up. And this brings me to a very important point that I want to mention in this. If you fail to go through the process, you will always mess up when you get to the top. But if you go through the process, you'll be able to manage success even when it comes your way. Most people you see today that are doing very well, and check it out from the list, you find out that most people who are messing up money on the internet, who are doing things like people that are not reasonable, they are the set of people that did not actually work or follow the process to make wealth. Most of them, their parents are very rich and they came into wealth. So when they came and they made that money, all they know how to do with it is to lavish the money. If you want to rate it in percentage, it should be very high. Those children that their parents are very rich and they came into wealth, they are the ones that usually mess up their parents' funds. Those children that are not rich, whose parents are not rich, who actually work themselves into success, you find out that they are the set of people who are not messing up themselves on the social media, who are not showing off money because they understand the process and the procedure to get up there. When you make your money in easy way, when you make your money in a way that you are surprised how you got it, yes, that's the word. When you're surprised how you got your money, you would spend it like you don't care. It also brings me to this for you to check out a lot of great men that we have out there: Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, all these great men that you see that invented one or two things that are today the richest men in the world, Dangote. You find out that they are not messing money. They don't buy cars, they don't wear jewelries, they don't do anything for you to see that they have money. They are not showing up their wealth because they already have it. And not just because they already have it, but because they walked through certain process before they got up there. So people that went through process before they become successful, they don't mess up wealth. But those that just jump into wealth due to one thing or the other that they find themselves doing, or they're from a rich home, those are the kind of people you see showing up their wealth online, showing up their wealth for the world to see. Big, great men, successful people do not show off wealth. People that are really that have really worked themselves out, that have really gone through a lot of process to get up there, they don't show up their wealth. It is those people that just jumped into the process, that just find wealth within their hands. Those are the kind of people you see throwing money everywhere you see online. Speaking about the old school and the new school, you find out in the old school, ladies are so careful how they dress, how when they come out, and even when they dress roughly, you see people within the streets, you see people within the environment, they are calling them to order. Hey, young girl, you're not dressed properly. A woman will come with a wrapper to cover her because she's not properly dressed. People want to address them. People want to make sure that they are doing the right thing at the right time. The community was watching over the children and was ensuring there was correction. But this generation, if a lady is not dressed open, that the body is exposed, people will not give her likes. Because this generation is internet generation, and we spend so much time looking for people to appreciate us online. When you send a post, you want people to like, you want people to follow you, you want people to comment, because you feel those are the set of people that matters to you at this point. In the past, we are so worried about people giving us a good name. We are worried about the name our family will have. We are worried about how we represent our family out there. But this generation is worried about how we represent ourselves online, and that is where the whole mix-up is coming up. People are no longer doing things the way that needs to be done for themselves, but they're doing it just to please a lot of people. This generation is no longer looking for how best they can represent their family name. They're not looking for how best they can do something that they will be remembered for. All they are just thinking about is how to trend. What can make me trend? What can make people recognize me? What can make me get more followers online? That's what people are looking out for. But they are not looking at the message to pass to the generation that will make them become better and how make them become efficient even to their future, their children, and their lives to come. Things should get better. We can keep sending the right messages out there for people to know the right step to take, for people to know the right thing to do. The old school life is still one of the most recommendable lifestyle that if anybody seeks to follow that pattern, they will still live a better life and they will still have things going on the right way. Do not say because this generation is moving in this direction, we all must keep running in this direction, even knowing fully well that the messages that we're coming out with is the wrong messages and the lifestyle that is going on there is the wrong lifestyle. We need to pass the right message, we need to inculcate the right information to the young generations for them to know the right path to take. A good name is better than hidden riches. It is better for you to have a name that can represent you, a name that can represent your family, than you coming out there to be known for something notorious. It's better for you to be famous than for you to be notorious. That's just the gap between the two of them. Seek to be famous and not just to be notorious. Be known for something good and not to be known for something negative. Till I come again your way, same time next week. Thank you very much for staying tuned to this platform. Today's message is old school style, and this is still going to continue over a period of time. Click the subscribe button if you're joining us for the first time. Thank you very much.